welcome back to Membership Monday. I hope you had a great holiday and a wonderful New Year's. Welcome to 2025. We're so glad to have you guys with us and to watch some of our videos and learn about the members that we have with us this year. So I am here today with Jessie Marlowe. How are you, Jessie?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Do you mind telling us about your business, where you're from, and what you guys do?
Yeah, sure. I'm the Executive Director at Shoreline Behavioral Health Services. We're a nonprofit organization that provides drug and alcohol treatment and prevention services for Horry County.
Wonderful. And how long have you been with this organization?
I've been here for 16 years. I started out as a prevention intern at Shoreline, and I worked my way up. I was a prevention specialist. I supervised the prevention department at one point and eventually did public relations work for our agency as well, and then I'm now the executive director responsible for everything and the success of the agency.
Well, that's a wonderful position to have, and it sounds like you've worked your way up and you've worked hard and you kind of know the ins and outs of the organization itself.
Yeah, it's a lot, and I'm still learning too, because I just took this position in June, but still learning a lot and just grateful for the opportunity and excited for the future of Shoreline.
So I did want to ask you, whenever I drove up, I saw that there's a new building being built next door. Do you mind telling us about that and what we can look forward to in the future?
Sure. We're doing an expansion, so we're kind of busting out of the seams here. You probably saw as you walk through. We have people doubled up in offices, and our services have greatly expanded since we opened this building in 2000. So basically, part of our agency that has kind of really grown substantially is our medication-assisted treatment.
Okay.
So we provide services to clients who are suffering with a substance use disorder and may be prescribed a medication to help them through that process. That's a big part of what we do, and it is one component, but it is a big part of what we do.
Yes.
And because of that and all the other services that we provide, we really just needed more space to be able to provide the services. We're trying to grow into more of a medical home for individuals so that when they come see us, they're able to have more needs met besides just coming to us for substance use disorder, that being the priority, but also helping them in any other areas that they may need assistance with as well. So the expansion is very important. It's really just an extension of our building that we have now, so that we are able to provide the services that are needed for those in Horry County.
I know that you guys do some great things for our community, and we're thankful to have you in the Conway area. It's definitely a building that we need, and it's a need here in our area.
Definitely, and we're central to Horry County, as central as it can be. It's so big, and it does that does mean that there are people that have to travel a long way to get to us, and we recognize that. But we do provide transportation services as well. Sometimes we cover like bus passes or gift cards to help with transportation if people aren't able to get to us, because we do recognize that Horry County is very large and there is a need for people to be able to get to us if they have transportation issues.
Now, I did want to ask you, there's some sort of thing that you have going on that you do every year, I believe is what you told me whenever we were emailing. Yeah. So what are you kind of in need of from the community and from other businesses that are part of our membership?
We have a board seminar every year with our, basically all the board members from around the state. They come together in Myrtle Beach, which is nice, so we get to kind of play the host for all of these individuals coming from around the state, from all of the 301 agencies like mine throughout the state. And they come together in the central location, and they get, because they volunteer their time, the board members, they serve on these agencies, they volunteer their time, they get to network with each other, and then we all the counties, they raffle off basically like gift baskets for the individuals. Yeah. So they get prizes, and it's kind of like a little incentive for the work that they've done.
Right.
So any donations for gift baskets are helpful so that we can give these away to people who've been basically giving their time to help organizations like ours throughout the state.
Well, that's awesome. And you heard it from her, guys. You have a great opportunity to get involved not only with this organization, but with other organizations in the area. Please do your best to support them if you can. We appreciate all of you for listening today, and thank you, Jessie, for doing this with us.
Thank you for offering me the opportunity. I really appreciate it.
Of course, and we wish you the best and the most success.
Thank you. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.